not that old then, but my friends, if you believe in yourself, if you believe there's someone who walks your life with you, you'll never be alone. Just learn to reach out and open your heart. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll show you the way. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads, for the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. When you feel the world is stumbling down on you, and you have no one that you can hold on to, just face the rising sun, and you'll see hope, and there's no need to run. Lift up your hands to God, and He'll make you feel alright. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads, for the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads, for the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. Come to me, and I will give you rest. ko, kailiw ko, kapamatag mo. Kailiw ko, dagiti kinalailong, kinasayaat ko, ken kinadungo. Ngayon tuki mo dito'y baruko. Iliw ko ken ka, tijak masar kedan, kinaumbi kinasudi ayan, amin nga agek mo ken arakop mo. Kailiw ko, idan ayat ko, aniakit ngaminen anaglaway taaw, taumayak lakuma ken ka, sumarong ka, tawag ken surat mo, di danton makaanay, amang ep-ep iliw ko, kaawan mo dito'y sibay. Kuken ka, tijak masar kedan, kinaumbi kinasudi ayan, amin nga ageka umaya lakuma ken ka, sumarong ka, tawag ken surat mo, di danton makaanay, amang ep-ep iliw ko, kaawan mo dito'y sibay. you could see me now, the one who said that she's right alone, make you mine, just for a while, turn back the hands of time. If I could only hold you now. I've been too long in the rain, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can, looking back and longing for the freedom of my chains, lying in your loving arms again. Singing somewhere through the lonely nights, dreaming of the arms could help me die. If you could only hear me now. I've been too long in the rain, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can, looking back and longing for the freedom of my chains, lying in your loving arms. Chắc mà tuy iliw ko ngem adase biag ko nga iture no pay nasakit mo daytadong mo awan o martap tuwing nga ayan si kalat na karing na di ka tupulong janto gamdan alipatan kaayat mo daytadong mo awan umartap tuwing ayan ay uray awan